Yeah, my drone's nothing exciting because I didn't want to get a really expensive one and then end up losing it, or just not really liking it, or yeah. So I got this one just because I just thought I'd give it a go, get used to. Hi guys, so we are gonna go on a little walk, well a big walk, and we're gonna go up a hill and then see if there's a view at the top, and there's also going to be some horse riding later in the clip, if I manage to get any of that, and because there's some horse riding there I know of, and never been there before, so definitely if you like that type of thing, come along. So I'm going to a place called Coombe Hill. I didn't realise that it was a spa, which doesn't make any sense. I mean, it does sort of. There's a walk. It's not the biggest walk in the world. It's only a couple of miles, but not including the trek to actually get up there in the first place. So it doesn't have a car park. It seems you just park on the street, like anywhere. I mean, this is just a path. You just find any space like this, for example. Yeah, I've not really any idea where I'm going. It seems like there's a lot of private space, like this is someone's driveway, and then this says bridal way, so farm, hotel, and then that side is private. So I really need to pee as well. The joys of having an illness where you have to drink tons of water, which is awesome because I've been asked for my ID a few times since wearing the mask, and then I once got told, I think it was last week, that this has only happened like in the last week anyway, but yeah, went and bought, my boyfriend and I have got into buying a few beers. We've been drinking Hobgoblin IPAs, which I used to actually go, and I pretty much in a way grew up in the pub Goblin in Bath, but it closed down, which is a shame. But yeah, so I've got my coffee. Didn't actually bring any water with me, which wasn't the cleverest idea, but oh well. And I'm just going to see if I can find somewhere to pee. It's not, because I'm getting very close to a hotel. So I'm just going to go and pee somewhere if I can find a space. So I have no idea. It's not very clear, I have to say. But I peed, so yay. And yeah, it's really pretty here. so awesome. Like, the clouds are just not moving today at all. They're just completely clear. There's no movement, they're just not moving at all. I really love just looking up at the clouds sometimes, and just because obviously usually, well, I do mostly look at the floor or the ground to see what's going on, and like the bugs and what's down below and the plants, and looking at the trees and the distance view and everything like that. But when you feel like I do, which I think a lot of people feel like at the moment, where everything's sort of like your plans for the future, your immediate plans for the future anyway, that you can start doing, have been put on hold because of this lockdown and everything. People obviously have had holidays and you know, trips, lifetime trips that they wanted to do and all sorts, and just so many people's plans, lives, things that could potentially have changed their life completely, even jobs. I know someone that had a job that was going to be put, was going to send them abroad, and that's not happening. So I don't know if they've been told they can't do the job anymore or what, but they were told they could do the job. It's just a girlfriend that I know of. And she's just been told that she can go work abroad, because I know it wasn't my fault. I know that it happens, but I did every single thing possible to stop there being drama or anything, just drama basically. And there's been drama. So yeah, I'm trying to get out of this mind frame. Yeah, just kind of makes me feel like I've let myself down. Sounds odd, but I feel like I've let myself down. Wait for this insurance. I don't want to wait, which is weird, to have the van done. I don't want to wait to go on these trips. I just don't want to wait. And not only am I having to wait because of the insurance, and then having to wait because of having to build the van again, but then also having to wait because there's a lockdown. And the lockdown, yes, is eased, but I feel like there's very likely to be another one, but also there's not as much, like some of the travel is not really happening as much. I've spent quite a lot of my savings to just live because of my redundancy, because of the lockdown.